So friends, in this lecture we will learn about just the properties in for color swatches part. Okay, if you don't have these properties and these things, then you can go to the windows and you can just click on the properties. See, you can just find them from here. Okay, it's like the swatches styles they will here. Okay, so this is the layers, the options. See, my options are getting disabled. Then you can find the options from here. The tools, this is the tools menu, you can find it from here. Okay, and this is the layer. You see it is selected because we have this layer is selected. So first we will just unlock this one, and now I'm show you the thing just like if you will lock it. All right, so actually just like the previous one, come to the starting point. See, you can see here the width and height of the image. Okay, and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. When I unlock this one, then it will show you the options to enable disable, and when I move it, then you can see the position the way I just moved my image. Okay, and you can see the property just like press Ctrl Alt I, and you can see the properties here just like the resolution is 72, height, width, and you can change it from here just to increase it just like this, then you can increase it. Okay, okay, so I will show you the how to increase just like 13.2. Okay, so you see it will change my image and the my the just like the image size and the canvas size. Okay, so basically this is your image size. The image you see is your image size, but the background where it is uh, just like where you have just opened it, then the background is the canvas size. If you want to change the canvas size, you can press Ctrl Alt C, and you can see here the canvas size. I will show in the inches. See the just like now the default the canvas size is same as the image size. If I will just increase it, okay, then you can see here the transparency, then my canvas size is big more than my image size. So what you have to do, you can just put your image up, and you can see here the complete the extra part of the canvas size. Then you can here put anything else. It's like this. If you want to put a text here, the first you can we will just make it a color white, and now you can type here anything. Okay, just like the black color, and I'm going to still the Photoshop. Okay, so you see my image is completely the pixels that I just inserted it, and some extra part where I will just put it the Photoshop. So this is the canvas size complete, and this is the image size. Now come to this one. You can see here the properties of the text. I just selected. You can here see the text properties. Now come to this one, and you can see here the layer properties. Now info. So info is just like to show the documents size. Okay, this is showing the estimate document size, and when you click here, you can find the color just like here. You can see here the RGB and CMYK mode using the 8-bit color mode of that color. Okay, so we know the white is just like the 255, so it will show you the 255 and CMYK 0%. Okay, and for black it's 0, so it's not completely black as we see here. But if you put on the completely black one, okay, so if I will just create a new black object. Alright, so field is the completely black, and when I put my mouse here, you can see the RGB 000. So this is the completely black mode, and XY is the position of my cursor. Where is my cursor? And it is showing in the pixels, just like the 968 pixels in the x-axis and 405 pixels in the y-axis. It's like this one. Okay, when I come to this point, then it will show the x is 3 and y is 0. Okay, so from the all of the top, you can see the differences. Just like this one, this is the last one. So this is where the my axis becomes 0. Okay, so you can just learn these things from the info. And color is just like, if you want to select the color, this one, then it will reflect your color to here, and you can use this color in the brush mode. Okay, so just like this, and in the paint bucket. Okay, and the gradient tools that will just uh, using for the putting the color on the image. Okay, so if you want to change this color, then select this one and change this color. And swatches is just it is showing the color swatches. Okay, you can just click and you can find the color. Okay, if you want to the first color change, if you want to change the first color, then you can select this one and you can change the color swatches from this color. And just like this is the email, just like, okay, so this is the another email options. Just like to reset the swatches, it will reset the swatches from just like it is from default. Now it is showing the all the colors. Okay, and you can do this color modes also. And this is the preset manager. It will show you the all the searches from here. If you want to have more, then you can load more. The gradients, you can select the preset mode to gradient. Okay, so when you come to the gradient, then it will show you this type of, okay, so this type of color mode. So you can load more. If you have more, you can download it from the internet. Okay, so this is the just like to collapse the icons, and for make it expand just like this one. Okay, so this all are become just expanded, and I will show you the work of this one. So this is the history. Okay, you can see what tools I just used. So all these tools come into the history and the navigation. When I just zoom in, you can see the part just like this one. Okay, from the navigation panel, you can change the view of the your window. Okay, and this you can see here the tools that I just used. Okay, the last one I use the device preview, the tool presets. Okay, clone sources, you can do here the clones or change the clone sources from here. Just like the, if you want to do cloning, then you can change it from here. Okay, just like the character properties, you can change the character properties from here. All right, just collapse this one. So these are the tools that we use in the